Crispiest mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is going to show you how to make a yummy, beloved dish from the land of the sunrise. That's right, we're going to make Tonkatsu with our very own homemade Tonkatsu sauce that is guaranteed to be even better than the Japanese classic bulldog sauce. And accompanying this scrumptious deep-fried pork will be a simple cabbage salad with a tasty homemade sesame dressing. Just follow our recipe here and your tonkatsu is going to turn out beautifully golden, crunchy, and absolutely flavorful. Dip it with our sauce that is sweet, tangy, and deliciously rich with sesame aroma. And you're going to be in anime heaven. Are you ready to be blown away with deliciousness? Then let's roll into the kitchen and make your very own tonkatsu with us. We'll begin with making our tonkatsu sauce and the sesame salad dressing from scratch. It's so much simpler than you think. Let's start with the tonkatsu sauce. In a pan without any oil, toast 4 tablespoons of white sesame seeds on a medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until they all turn golden brown. Be careful not to take your eyes off them or they may burn. Once your sesame seeds are nicely toasted, remove them from the pan and set them aside. In a bowl, mix together 4.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 5 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Please note here that you should taste and adjust the sugar amount based on the type of ketchup you use. American Heinz ketchup tends to be sweeter than Heinz ketchup elsewhere. It's because America is the land of the free, home of the brave, and the playground of the sugar lobbyist. Add 1 tablespoon of your toasted sesame seeds into the sauce mixture and stir well so the sugar dissolves. And that's it. You've got your own tonkatsu sauce. Taste it. Much better than the store-bought sauce, isn't it? Now, it's a sesame dressing turn. Don't worry, it's just as easy and yummy as the tonkatsu sauce. All you need is mix together 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of mirin, half a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds, and you would have your salad dressing that's going to make your veggies less sad. Mentioning the veggies for the health conscious out there, see, we don't forget about you. Traditionally, tonkatsu is served with a simple shredded cabbage, but today we're going to elevate it to a cabbage salad. Just quickly shred 1/4 of a cabbage and slice half of a large cucumber into thin round slices. Mix them all together with our dressing right before serving, and you would get a simple yet rich and flavorful side salad to go with your pork. Veggies definitely taste better with meat, right? Now, we'll move on to the real food, the star of the dish, the tonkatsu. Pound flat 2 pieces of pork chopped. Each piece is about 100 grams. Quickly rub both sides of your pork with 1 teaspoon of salt and as much pepper as you like. Set your pork aside while we're preparing the coatings. On the white plate, mix together 2 tablespoons of starch, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and in a bowl, crack and whisk 1 large egg, and finally, in a different white plate, pour in some panko. Okay, the assembly line is done. Now, take your pork, cover it first with the seasoned starch, then in the egg, and finally in the golden panko. Take out your trusted pan and pour some oil, or even better, some lard like we do here. We need the oil to cover at least half of the thickness of the pork. So don't be shy with the oil. With less oil, it will take longer to cook and it will more likely to burn the pork. Heat up the oil until it's properly hot. Then drop the pork gently into the pan and fry on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and keep frying for 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Then flip again and continue frying for 1 or 2 minutes on each side. Flipping the pork multiple times allows it to cook more evenly because the oil left on top after flipping will keep cooking it. Then one more flip for the finish. And voila! There you have it, your very own lovely golden tonkatsu pork with your homemade tonkatsu sauce drizzled on top, served with a side of cucumber and cabbage salad with a light yet umami sesame dressing. If this dish makes you scream "Oishii," then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more heavenly recipes. And now, all that's left is itadakimasu, and weta, bon appetit, mời cả nhà ăn cơm and dig in.